What's up, y'all? It's Daniel coming to you from the Dronefly workshop. And today, I'm gonna explain to you Autel's entire lineup of Evo II drones. Stay tuned, because this is gonna be a good one. So let me give a brief overview of Autel's Evo II lineup. They can be broken down into series. We have the Basic Series, the Thermal Series, the RTK Series, and finally, the Enterprise Series. And before I get into the differences between all of these drones, let's talk about the features that are mostly the same across the entire lineup. Industry-leading image quality, flight times of around 40 minutes, flight speeds up to 45 miles per hour, at least 5.5-mile video transmission range, object tracking, which is able to recognize up to 64 subjects at once, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, a built-in screen on the controller, and probably one of Autel users' favorite features is the fact that there are no forced firmware updates and no geofencing, making the Evo II series very popular for those who need to fly in restricted areas with permission. Now that you know some of the similarities, let's talk about what sets these drones apart. First, let's start with the basic Evo II series, consisting of the Evo II 8K and the Evo II Pro 6K. The Evo II 8K's claim to fame is its half-inch CMOS sensor that is capable of 8K video and 48 megapixel still images. The sensor's very high resolution means it's capable of lossless zoom. From there, you move up to the Evo II Pro 6K. Despite its lower resolution, the larger sensor and larger pixels allow for higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The Pro also adds an adjustable aperture and is clearly directed at the pro and prosumer video market. For enterprise use, these drones can be an excellent choice when aerial visuals are needed from hard-to-reach places. Now let's talk about the Evo II Thermal Series, which consists of the Evo II Dual 640T and the Evo II Dual R. These drones have all of the features of the Evo II 8K and adds a 640 by 512 radiometric thermal camera. While the Dual 640T has a Chinese-made thermal core, the Dual R uses an American-sourced FLIR-Boson thermal camera, which allows you to use FLIR's famed software tools. The Thermal series of drones can be excellent choices for all types of industries, including inspection, energy, police, fire, wildlife management, and the list goes on. Now let's move on to the next series, the Evo II RTK. RTK stands for Real-Time Kinematic, and basically what it does is precisely triangulates the drone's position in space with satellites. The benefit of RTK is its unrivaled centimeter-level accuracy, which is perfect for mapping, surveying, inspections, or anything else that requires pinpoint accuracy. It's offered in two flavors, with the 1-inch 6K Pro camera or the dual camera with the 8K half-inch sensor and 640T radiometric thermal camera. It also supports the RTK base station for even more accurate mapping results. If you're a surveying professional, this is the obvious choice. Lastly, let me tell you about the ultimate Evo II drones, the Enterprise Series. The Enterprise upgrades the body slightly for a tougher build and extends the video transmission range from 5.5 miles to 8 miles. But the big difference is the ability to add modular accessories to the top of the drone. This includes a beacon for night flying, a loudspeaker for communicating with people on the ground, a spotlight for lighting up the night, and the optional RTK module for centimeter-level accuracy, just like the Evo II RTK series. For additional safety, it includes an ADS-B receiver so you'll know where incoming air traffic is while you're flying. The Enterprise series comes with your choice of cameras, the 6K 1-inch sensor, or your choice of the 8K camera with 640T dual camera, or the American-made FLIR camera. Also included with the Enterprise series drones is the Smart Controller, which offers a large display, high brightness for viewing in full sun, and negates the need to connect a smartphone or tablet. So I hope that helps simplify the lineup for you. If you have any questions about the amazing Autel Evo II series, give us a call, email us, or hit up dronefly.com and our experts can help point you in the right direction. Well, that's it for now. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you next time.